What is going on, guys? Welcome back to DJI's Tech Domain. Today we're going to be flying the DJI Mini 3 Pro that I won from Dan's Tube and D1 Store around at this beach to see if we can get some nice drone shots. So let's dive into it. Okay guys, so we finished doing some filming and we've got some incredible videos and photos here. You would have just seen them then. So we've got the little drone here. It's just hovering and it's just incredible how well it flies over the water, and it just looks incredible. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you danstube.tv. Make sure to subscribe to him. Make sure to subscribe to D1 Store Australia, DJI Australia. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.